Hello, I'm back. So in this video, uh, let's just take a look at the package.json uh, for the code that Feda's generator has created for us. So I'm going to go into this, and most times if you are entering into a new code base, most times like if it's a Node.js code base, you would want to start from like the package.json to kind of get to understand what are the dependencies, what is it that is like how does basically it gives you like a feel of how the project tends to operate. So I'm going to reduce this a bit, and let's open this. So yeah, you can see the name API. Actually that should be mainframe API. Then next you can see the description, which was what I provided at that time. I knew that I had more white spaces here, so yeah, you can see the version. So I'm going to increase this version to 1. Then yeah, it's private. Now the author, let's see. So the author is me. Then my email. Should I show you my email? Okay, so then the contributor, so Node.js greater than or equals to 20. Then yeah, this is the Feda's information that Feda's is using here. Language, TS, basically all those things that we provided the other time. This is where Feda store it, so Feda's kind of track it from the package.json. So here the transport, which is the REST and the WebSocket. So you'll see channels, you would see I think channels and clients, if I'm not mistaken. So then the schema type box. Directories, these are the directories. You have lib, which maps to like src. Then you have tests. Then you have the files, which the files field is an array of files to include in your project. If you name a folder in an array, then it will also include files inside that folder. So for example, we go for lib slash clients.json, every tab files, and then this. So yeah, these are like the jargon basically that you would find. So now this is like the important one. Typically, if you want to, or typically, if you want to set this, if you want to like start the application, you just have to kind of run npm compile first. Oh, sorry. So you run npm compile, you wait for like the compiler to like compile the project, which I hope doesn't take a while. Okay, it didn't. So after you run npm compile, next thing you want to run npm, like you want to run migrate. Normally if you're using MongoDB, you don't have to do this, but we're using SQL, so we kind of have to do it. I think there's nothing exactly to migrate, so we shouldn't get anything there. Then we can now run npm start. So you're just going to start it. As you can see, if I open let's say the weird part is I want to kind of extract this out of here. So okay, so let's say I open local, wait a minute, what is the link? That is 3030, sorry. So it's going to show like a landing page, which is this, showing you like Feda's. and that landing page is what you find in the public folder index.html. So meaning you can actually practically put your front end here and it will still work. So for example, if you are using React, maybe when you are done you can build it and then put it here. Or if you're using vanilla JavaScript or HTML and CSS, it's very easy for you to put it here. You just have to maybe set up like a build tool of some sort, maybe Webpack or so. Yeah, so yeah, here we have it. Now that's for like production. If you were doing for like if you're doing like for developments, you can just run npm run dev and boom. So yeah, and boom, actually it's the starting up here. So you'll see this basically. So it's same thing but for development. So yeah, there we go. I think that should be all for this one. Bye.